Hello and welcome to Learn English with Shivkanya. Today's quiz is based on grammar. This is for beginners level. There will be 10 questions in the quiz. There will be some time to guess the answer. Let's start. She has dash new coat on. Hers, her, she and mine. The correct answer is her. She has her new coat on. Number 2. He dash sick since Monday. Was, has, had and has been. The correct answer is has been. He has been sick since Monday. Number 3. What time dash the train arrive? Is, does, do and has. The correct answer is does. What time does the train arrive? Number 4. Dash any messages for me? There, will there, are there, was there. The correct answer is are there. Are there any messages for me? Next. What time dash you meet her tomorrow? Won't, do, are and will. The correct answer is will. What time will you meet her tomorrow? Number 6. It dash all day long yesterday. Was rained, raining, rained and has rained. The correct answer is rained. It rained all day long yesterday. Number 7. The men are working. Their dash are at home. Wife, husbands, husband and wives. The correct answer is wives. Their wives are at home. Number 8. Richard is in his class. Question tag. Is he, doesn't he, does he and isn't he. The correct answer is isn't he. Richard is in his class. Isn't he? Number 9. Dash is your favorite sport. Who, where, what and why. The correct answer is what. What is your favorite sport? Number 10. Look, the cup is empty. There dash nothing in it. Is, will, are and isn't. The correct answer is. There is nothing in it. Write your score in the comment section. We'll be back very soon with one more new lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep growing. Learn English with Shivkanya. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all my new lessons. Thanks for your time.